In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Play Store. Keeping the Play Store up to date helps your apps download smoothly, improves security, and fixes little glitches you might run into. The good news is, the Play Store usually updates itself in the background. You'll only need to do this manually if something seems off. Maybe downloads are stuck, pages won't load, or you're seeing errors. When that happens, here's the recommended and simplest way to check for an update. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. On the top right, tap your profile icon. Depending on your device, that might be your photo, a letter, or a generic avatar. This opens a menu with your account and app settings. Next, tap Settings. You'll see a few categories. Look for the section called About. If you don't spot it right away, just scroll. It's usually near the bottom of the settings screen. Tap About to open details about the Play Store version installed on your device. Now tap Update Play Store. You won't need to download anything manually here. If an update is available, it will begin downloading and installing quietly in the background. There's no progress bar to watch, so you can simply continue using your phone. Give it a few minutes, and the Play Store will handle the rest. If there isn't an update available, you'll see a message that says Play Store is up to date. That means you already have the latest version, and there's nothing else you need to do. A few quick tips to make this go smoothly. Try to be on Wi-Fi so updates download faster and don't use your mobile data. Make sure your device's date and time are set correctly. Incorrect settings can sometimes prevent services from refreshing properly. And keep your Android system updated as well, since system updates often include behind-the-scenes improvements that help the Play Store run better. Remember, you don't have to check for Play Store updates regularly. It's designed to update on its own without you noticing. But if the store is acting slow, failing to load pages, or having trouble installing apps, running this manual check is a quick, safe way to make sure you're on the latest version. That's it. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, open About, and tap Update Play Store. Simple, fast, and effective. If you found this helpful, give it a moment to finish in the background, then enjoy a smoother app experience. Thanks for watching.